Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. Make sure the earphones are charged and paired, and set the phone or laptop volume high so the source isn't limiting sound. Next, open the app or media player and raise its volume slider to maximum. This eliminates software-limited volume. Once done, inspect the earbud meshes for wax or debris. Clogged filters reduce output dramatically. If you spot blockages, use a soft brush or a dry cotton swab to clear them carefully, because airflow matters for loudness. Now focus on how the device sends audio. Change the Bluetooth codec in your phone's developer or advanced settings to aptX, AUX, or LDAC when your earphones support them. Better codecs can increase perceived volume and clarity. Make sure any equalizer isn't applying heavy low-volume cuts. Choose flat or slightly boosted mid-high bands to improve loudness. Then check for firmware updates for the earphones and install them. Firmware often fixes power management or volume normalization bugs that limit output. Finish by optimizing the fit. Swap ear tips for ones that create a tight seal, especially foam tips, because a better seal increases bass and overall perceived volume. Then test the earphones with a second phone or laptop to determine whether the problem is the source or the earphones themselves. If low volume persists, reset the earphones to factory settings and repair them. This clears pairing quirks. If that still fails, one key troubleshooting tip: contact support for a hardware inspection, since drivers or amplifier faults may require repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.